Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to fix Instagram story unavailable. So you might be having this kind of error wherein you can see that the story is no longer available. Then that just means that the story that you've previously seen is either been deleted by the person who posted it or by the account who posted it, or it may be deleted by Instagram itself because it has some illegal activities or spammy activities that's happening on the story itself. However, if that's not the problem, then you can head over to a browser of your choice. But for me, I chose Glitch and head over to a website called Down Detector. This because maybe Instagram is just experiencing some glitch or it is really down. So let's head over there and let's see if Instagram is down. So as you can see, there's some crazy lines up here, but it is not that high. Then that just means that Instagram is not down at the moment that this video is happening. So there's another reason, maybe the Instagram is really experiencing a worldwide glitch wherein a lot of users are experiencing this kind of trouble. But if that's not the case, then what you need to do is head over to your Play Store or App Store, search for Instagram, and make sure that your Instagram app is updated. After that, just click on open, and this will resolve your issue. So that's it. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of contents. Follow for more.